In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Outlook 365. Whether you're new to Microsoft Outlook or just need a refresher, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide to getting started with the platform. First, let's navigate to the Microsoft 365 login page. You can do this by going to your web browser and entering the URL for Outlook's login, which is readily available online. Open a new tab and type in the search bar Outlook 365 login. Once you've found the correct link, click to access the login screen. Now that you're on the login page, look for the sign in button. This button is usually found at the center or top right corner of the web page. Clicking on it will bring you to the sign in form where you can enter your credentials. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're using the right email associated with your Outlook 365 subscription. Enter your email and password carefully, making sure to check for any typos. Once logged in, you will be directed to Outlook Mail. You might notice a user-friendly layout that's easy to navigate. Here you'll find your inbox and a variety of tools to manage your emails. But before diving into your emails, let's locate some essential features you'll often use. Take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see what's known as the waffle icon or apps launcher. It looks like a square formed with small dots. Clicking on this icon gives you quick access to all the Microsoft 365 applications that are associated with your account. It's a handy way to switch between different services like Word, Excel, and Teams without having to log in multiple times. Next, from the menu that appears after you've clicked on the waffle icon, choose Microsoft 365. This will allow you access to Microsoft's suite of productivity applications right from your web browser. It's a light and versatile way to manage your tasks and communications without needing to download anything on your device. Now let's head over to the Home button within Microsoft 365. Clicking on Home not only centers you within the Outlook environment, but also gives you an overview of important updates and activities. This is your command center for all tasks, from checking notifications to accessing recent documents. It's an efficient feature to help streamline your work process. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated to Outlook 365, familiarized yourself with its interface, and now have the tools at your fingertips to explore further. Feel free to delve deeper into each application Microsoft 365 has to offer, and enjoy a seamless experience with organized emails and versatile office tools. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.